Hi, I'm Zishen. Welcome to my channel about cars. Today, my dad and I are going to work on our lesson to install a racing clutch into the car. So, I'm taking the opportunity today to explain a little about how a racing clutch, or what some people call the ice cream clutch, how it works, and why there is that ringing sound when you press on the clutch pedal. So, let's have a look. Is the racing clutch that's going to be going into my car for the track day at F.I.N. So this is also what some people call the ice cream clutch. Yes, so this is the ice cream clutch, which is also known as the super single clutch. So what you see here is the clutch pressure plate. These springs are very stiff, stiffer than your normal springs. It gives it more clamping force, but it also makes it more difficult to drive. And over here at the rear side, this is the flywheel. This attaches to your car's crankshaft and it transmits the power through the clutch to your car's gearbox and to the driven wheels. So now, I'm going to open this clutch up and then we'll have a look at what exactly makes this ringing sound that you hear from this so-called ice cream clutch. View of the racing clutch. The start is the flywheel over here, followed by this, which is the clutch pad, and then the next thing is the pressure plate, followed by the clutch cover. In order for the power from the engine to be transmitted to the car's driven wheel, what we have to achieve is that both the flywheel and the clutch pad have to be spinning in tandem together. And how we achieve that is with the help of these two items over here. So with the flywheel connected to the car's engine, the clutch pad is actually connected to your car's gearbox input shaft, which will end up powering your car's driven wheel. So this item goes together like this. So the clutch cover is the one with the springs, which provides the clamping force of the entire system to allow both the clutch pad and the flywheel to be spinning together. When you depress on the car's clutch pedal, what it does is the clutch bearing will be pushing onto this spring over here. So what it effectively does is that it relieves the clamping pressure of the clutch system. So with the pressure relief, this ring will actually be lifted slightly. So what this does is it allows the clutch pad within to actually spin freely. Or rather, the flywheel will be spinning freely while the clutch pad will be standing still. And that is how your car can actually idle without moving off when you depress the clutch. So where is that rattling sound coming from? Why they call it an ice cream clutch? It's like an ice cream bell, you know, you step the clutch, clink, 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 clink. So actually, what creates this sound is because of this. So remember, when we depress the clutch, it actually relieves the pressure. So it actually allows not only the clutch pad to stay stationary while the entire thing is spinning. What it does is also this pressure plate over here is allowed to move around a little bit. So you get this is where the ringing sound is coming from. Why doesn't the normal car do this? Doesn't it also have a clutch cover and the entire system in order for it to work? Well, that's because in an actual normal car, here is probably from a truck, this looks massive, a normal clutch cover over here. So this normal clutch cover, you'll notice that there's this portion of it. While our racing clutch over here is just a spring, you see the spring clearly over here. So the difference is, on the racing clutch, the pressure plate is actually separated from the cover and is allowed to move around freely. But in the stock normal clutch, the pressure plate is actually connected, or rather secured to the clutch cover with these metal pieces over here. So even when you depress the clutch and this pressure plate will move inwards, it will not rattle and create that sound that you hear in all your JDM, Civic and all these cars that like to use all these super single clutch like Ogura clutch and the likes of these. So hope you enjoy our video, and if you like to see more videos such as this explaining to you about car things, please like, subscribe, share to your friends, let them know about our new channel that we are going to be working on more car related videos in the sunny island in Singapore.